Hello all and welcome back to Snacking with Sam. Today I'll be making deep fried pickles. Here are the ingredients you're going to need to follow along. The most important thing when it comes to making deep fried pickles are the pickles. And today we chose Harold's hand-cut, hand-packed dill pickles. You can really use any kind of pickle as long as it's dill. You don't really want to make deep fried pickles with sweet pickles. We chose these pickles because they are a thicker version of pickle chips, and we like a good pickle to batter ratio where there's a lot of pickle and not so much batter. The first thing we want to do is set the pickles on some paper towel so they can dry up and it'll help the batter stick to them better. On to the second most important thing about deep fried pickles, and that is the batter. So I'm going to start by putting 1 cup of flour into the bowl. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This allows the deep fried pickles to crisp up, and everybody loves a crispy deep fried pickle. Next, I'm going to add my mixture of seasonings, and that is made up of a teaspoon of salt, a little less than a teaspoon of pepper and paprika, and then a little bit of cayenne if you like a little kick. Then we can mix that all together. This will be a well seasoned batter, which I prefer. Oops. The dry ingredients are now mixed together, so let's add our wet ingredients. I'm going to start by adding a tablespoon of the pickle juice. Keeps the overall theme pickly. And then I'm going to add 3/4 cup of water. Now I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of milk. We'll see if we need to use all of it. And then give it a stir until it's relatively smooth. When you get a second, head on over to your stovetop so you can start heating up the oil. We're going to want to put in enough oil to cover the entire pickle. We are using canola oil, which I believe is the best oil to fry with at home. While the oil is heating up over on the stovetop, I'm going to coat the pickles in our batter. And today, I'll be using the just dump them all in technique. And we just want to make sure there's good coverage on every pickle. We're going to let our pickles chill while the oil continues to heat up. I'm back at the stovetop and it's time to fry these babies up. This should only take about 4 or 5 minutes, and make sure that they are fried evenly on all sides. Time to give it a try. It looks fantastic. It's a little hot on my fingies. Woo! Hot in my mouth too. Be safe out there, kids. The batter is flavorful, but it doesn't overpower. I think the pickle is really the star of the show, and that's how fried pickles should be. The batter's fluffy, but still has a little crunch to it, probably because of the cornstarch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you give this a try. Please let me know in the comments what snack you'd like to see me make next, and subscribe if you want us to keep making food content overall. Thank you so much.